welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are doing an unboxing or opening. So you'll need a scissor and handy dandy cutter. So for today's video, we're going to see what is inside of an empty Anessa sunscreen, because I've been wondering what is the sound that I'm hearing when I'm shaking this up. So I really wanted to find out. As you can see, that's the sound. So let's do this. I'm curious, so let's go crazy and open this empty bottle of sunscreen. So first things first, please, safety. Always know how to use the sharp cutters. Okay, let's do this. I'm scared, really. Wait, maybe this part. So I'm just gonna go wild and do a cross section of the cutter, cutting it open. Please don't cut my fingers. So I'm doing it slowly and surely, just enough to open the bottle up. Okay, are you ready? Moment of truth. Here we go. Let's open this up and see. Drum roll, please. That's the one. Wait, let me make a clearer view of it. There you go. So this is, fast forward, look. So this is the bead, or if you call it in Philippines, it's gonna be bolitas. So I know, please don't be green-minded. It is what it is. So that's inside the bottle. In English, they even call this tiny little bearing, metal bearing. So that's the one that makes the sound inside the bottle. This is the one I'm currently using, and it doesn't make the same sound like the Anessa one. So, bye!
Thanks for watching.